The Vivo X80 Pro is a complete smartphone. And this means everything you need in a high-end performing smartphone you'll get in this phone. It packs the best 2022 chipset, runs the latest software, is durable, packs a decent battery capacity, and its price is reasonably priced. The display size of the Vivo X80 Pro is 6.78 inches. It has an AMOLED panel, has 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, peak brightness of 1500 nits, and a display resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. The display is very colorful and can auto-refresh between 0 and 120 Hz. The design is a punch hole on the center top screen. The screen is slightly curved on both sides and it has very small bezels. On the rear, the phone has a camera module that spreads horizontally on the top back panel. There is also a circular design inside the camera module that houses 3 camera sensors and a single periscope lens, just beneath the circular model. The build of the Vivo X80 Pro is a glass front, glass back or ceramic back or eco leather back, and an aluminum frame. The back of the phone is made of different materials depending on the color you're buying. It is also water and dust proof, and the front display is protected by Gorilla Glass. The X80 Pro is a camera smartphone and it comes equipped with some of the most useful camera sensors you'll get in a 2022 smartphone. On the rear, the Vivo X80 Pro has a 50MP main camera that has PDAF, laser AF, and gimbal WA features. Then there is a 12MP telephoto lens and a 48MP ultrawide lens completing the quad rear camera. Up front, it has a 32MP front camera for selfies and video calls. All the cameras inside the Vivo X80 Pro are really good. The 50MP main camera has incredible stability and can shoot videos in 8K resolution. You also get to use a periscope lens with 5x optical zoom to take photos of objects from distance. The chipset inside the X80 Pro is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. This is one of the most powerful chipsets of 2022. This chipset features an octa-core CPU that has a 1X Cortex-X2 core with a speed clocked at 3.00 GHz. The CPU also has 4 efficiency cores to help cool down the temperature of the chipset when under heavy use. The GPU inside the chipset is the Adreno 730. This GPU is very powerful and paired with the octa-core CPU, playing graphics-intensive games becomes very smooth without any lags. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset also features a very powerful ISP that processes image on a whole new level. The Vivo X80 Pro comes in 3 storage configurations. It comes with 8 plus 256 GB, 12 plus 256 GB, and 12 plus 512 GB of storage. There is no room for storage expansion via a microSD card. Aside from not having room for a microSD card, the phone does not also have the 3.5mm jack port. The X80 Pro is powered by a 4700 mAh battery with support for an 80 watts fast charge. You can charge this device from 0 to 100% in about 38 minutes. The battery of the X80 Pro can last you 24 hours. Note that when you're not using the display at max, the LTPO3 display tech inside the phone reduces the refresh rate from 120 Hz to 60 Hz. The Vivo X80 Pro boots Origin OS Ocean based on Android 12 out of the box. Vivo is promising 3 years of major software updates and 4 years of monthly security patches for this phone. This review has shown that the Vivo X80 Pro is one of the best phones you can buy in 2022. Overall, the display, design, and build of the Vivo X80 Pro are top-notch. The phone is not just beautiful but also very durable, thanks to its build materials. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.